Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about 10 online jobs that pay through PayPal quickly. And if you stick around until the end, I'm going to share with you another way that you can make money through PayPal that's more on a recurring basis. But let's go ahead and get into it. Again, 10 easy online jobs that pay through PayPal quickly. The first one is called callcenterqa.org. And with this one, what you're going to do is be a telephone mystery shopper. So you're going to pretend like you're somebody who is purchasing and you're going to rate the call. So you get paid $5 to complete a telephone mystery shop. And then you're going to fill out a brief online survey or feedback that's just like 1 page long. And they said that each call takes 5 to 10 minutes. And then, of course, a few minutes to fill out the feedback. But they also pay out faster than any in the industry, is what they say, like 7 business days or less, and most companies are 30 to 45 days. So that's a lot faster. So what you want to do is just click on employment up here. And then if you scroll down, you'll see this form that you fill out that just asks a few questions. Fill that out, and then you can become the mystery shopper. So that's the first one. Second job is chegg.com. You can become an online tutor. So if you have knowledge in a certain subject, would be a great way for you to make extra money from home. It says that some tutors can earn $1,000 or more a month, and then you can start out at $20 an hour. So online tutoring is definitely something that's needed, and you can do it, set your own hours. You can pretty much do it any time of the day because people always need help with their homework any time of the day, any part of the country or world. So that's number 2. The third one is textbroker.com. I actually signed up for this website myself, and I do have a video that goes into this in more detail. But this site is where people come to get content written. So if you want to become a writer, just click on I Write Content, and you do have to submit writing. They give you a subject to write about, and then they rate you on a scale from 2 stars to 5 stars would be the best. Let's go under payment here, and you can see that with 5 stars you'll get 5 cents a word, 2 stars you'll get 7 cents a word, or 0.7 cents a word. So then they do have a calculator here. Let's say you did have 5 stars, or you could work up to 5 stars. Maybe you started at 2, and the more writing you did, the better you got. You can work up to 5 stars, and you can see if you write 1,000 word blog post or article or whatever it is, you can get paid $50. So this is a really great way that you can make extra money from home. Number 4 is Revcom. This is a transcription site where people go to have their content transcribed into writing, and that's what you would be doing, is listening and then typing out what you heard. You can see you can do transcription, you can do captions, you can do foreign subtitles. Now this $1 per minute doesn't mean that you'll get paid $1 for every minute that you work. It means that $1 per audio minute. So you listen to an audio that's 1 minute long, and you'll get paid $1 once you finish that, whether it takes you 15 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever. So also I wanted to mention that I did do a video. I will post this in the description below on, let's see right here, transcription jobs that pay $950 weekly. I do know someone who does make $900 weekly, but what you want to do is sign up for all of these sites so that you can get consistent work, and some of them pay more than others. I think there's only one that you have to pay a little bit of money to sign up, but for the most part they're free to sign up, and you do have to take some sort of test, but it is definitely worth signing up for because you can get better and better and better at something. Just like any other skill, that you learn, you'll get better at it. And obviously you need to be able to type, and the faster you type, the more money, quicker the money you will make. So number 5 is Crowdsurfwork.com. And this is another transcription site here. So it just talks about the benefits of working for them: easy tasks, steady work, flexibility. Of course, you're going to have some required skills: PC or Mac, reliable internet connection. Basic typing skills are necessary. proofreading skills. And so all you do with this one is you just go to either click get started with US and Canada, or you can do it internationally as well, get started there. So that's number 5. Number 6 is slicethepie.com. Let's go ahead and go to this site here. What you're going to do is get paid to write reviews, either on some songs, fashion items, accessories, or commercials before they're released, so that they can get good feedback before it's actually released. So with this one, basically all you do is just click here to sign up, and you can also get paid to refer a friend. So that's Slice the Pie. And number 7 is Fiverr.com, and I'm sure most of you have heard about Fiverr. There's quite a few ways, obviously, you can make money with this. You can look at all the different categories here, but I did a video on, let's see, where is it here? How to make money online without investment, Fiverr digital arbitrage. So you might not have thought about this, but you can actually list a service on Fiverr, and then you can outsource the work. And then when you get the work back from whoever you outsourced it from, you can deliver it to the customer here on Fiverr, and obviously you'll make a profit on that. Also, another good thing I think is YouTube thumbnails. I used to pay somebody $7 a thumbnail, and I do them myself now with Thumbnail Blaster, and that's just like less than $40. But a lot of these people, I'm pretty sure, use Thumbnail Blaster because I can just tell these templates. But you can see where people make up to $10 per thumbnail. This person, I don't know how many they sold, but they've gotten 522 reviews. So that's just another great way that you can make money through Fiverr. It's something that even if you wanted to start out at a lower price and get more business and get your regular customers, and you could raise the price a little bit. That's actually what the person that I bought from did. He was selling 3 thumbnails for $5, and I was buying from him over and over and over again. And then all of a sudden he raised it to $7 for 1 thumbnail. So, but I still went with him because I liked what he did. But then I decided I was just going to do it myself. So that's number 7. Number 8 is EyeWriter.com. And this is just another site where you can write content. You can write about blog posts, articles, product descriptions, anything that people want. And with this one, all you do is click on Write Content to get signed up. And this one too, just like Text Broker, you're going to have to submit something. This is going to be telling about yourself and why you want to write for EyeWriter. And then they give you a topic here to write about what is the #1 way a company can be successful with social media marketing. And then they'll rate your content, and then you can get started after that. So that's EyeWriter. Number 9 is Userlytx.com. And this one you get paid to test websites and apps. And you're just going to, after you rate them, you're going to fill out a short and easy form. Well, actually, that's to get registered. And then you're going to answer a few questions to rate the app or the website, and then you'll get paid anywhere from $5 to $20. But they also say that you can get paid as much as $90 for a review. So Userlytx is another great way to make money from home with PayPal. And then number 10 is Fancy Hands. This one here, you're going to be a virtual assistant, and you're going to do things, obviously, that companies don't have time to do, like scheduling, text messaging, purchasing, rollover request. And all you do with this one, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and you're going to click on Jobs, and it's going to take you to this page here where you can go ahead and apply to be a virtual assistant for Fancy Hands right here. Okay, so those are the 10 online jobs that pay through PayPal quickly, but I'm going to show you another way that you can make money through PayPal. It's more residual. And I did a video on this I will post below called Free PayPal Money. But essentially, just in a nutshell, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Udemy, which is a site where there's courses. Some of them are paid, some of them are free. But you're going to pick a subject that you know something about. Well, actually, you don't even have to know anything about it. Like if you went in and researched on Shopify, you could find a whole bunch of free Shopify courses. You could look at all of them, come up with something that's, in your own words, something that's different than anything out there, but you just make it a little bit better. And then in the resources section, you'll put your affiliate link for Shopify. And you can do that, I would recommend, for something that gives you recurring income, like a tool, like maybe Kartra. You could do a free course on Kartra, which is an autoresponder and a funnel builder together, or you could do something on GetResponse or Aweber, something that people would need that particular tool. So you're giving them free information. They're likely to watch that rather than pay for a course, and then they will purchase, most likely, in your resources section, whatever tools that you recommend. And I took a free course, and he recommended all kinds of tools, and that's exactly what people are doing on Udemy, because you wonder, why would somebody make a free course? But I explained it to you in detail in this video, and it's really not hard to do. It will take some work, but it's something that you can do one time and you can get paid over and over and over again. And that's what we all want, is to have that passive and residual income. So I hope you guys found some value in these online jobs that pay through PayPal. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. Also, if you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. And if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money from home, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. You can check it out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Mero signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.